22 seconds and counting. Joy's coming down the steps. She just got here. And we're going to be looking into the sun. We'll see how it goes. 2, 1, lift off. So it'll be probably 10 or 20 seconds before it comes through the clouds.
You'll probably see it over here. You might see it over here.
Okay.
But they might send them different than the shuttle launches.
Yeah, that's right. It's not a shuttle launch. Yeah. It could be going any direction.
We'll see a little orange or red. We're going to see it.
We're looking.
What's this one called?
Atlas, the Mars Rover.
Right there on the left, right there. See, Steve?
No.
This
Oh yeah, there it is.
Trail.
There's the quad trail.
Woohoo! I got it. Yeah. It's pink in the front. Woohoo! Go Atlas!
All right, Atlas. Woo! Looking into the sun here. Don't know if I'm getting it or not, but there it goes.
Yeah.
Go to Mars.
Go, baby, go!
Wow.
It hasn't deployed its,
No, I don't think it does. This isn't the shuttle. This is a rocket.
well, it's got a wider plume right now, so something just happened. Much wider plume.
Thank you.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, it's got a much wider plume right now.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
Just
Joy
amazing.
still has it.
Oh, it's gone.
gone.
It was great. It was great. Woo!
And it's looking
What a day.
here.
You can still see the contrail.
And you can still see the contrails here. Ahoo! And then looking around down here to the beach, you can see Jacksonville Beach down that way. Great day to be in Florida. Yes.